least common multiple LCM. Okay, so that is suppose let's take two numbers 3 and 6. Okay, what is the least common multiple of 3 and 6? For that, let's write the multiples of 3. So what are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. And the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. Now let's find the least common multiple. So what are the common multiples of this 3 and 6? You can see that 6 is common, 12 is common, and 8 you will get here, 8 will be common. Okay. Now in these multiples, in these common multiples, which is the least one? 6 is the least one. Okay. So we can write LCM of 3, 6 is equal to 6. Okay. Now what is LCM of 4 and 3? 3, 4. What is the LCM of 3, 4? So that is the multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. So you can see that in these two, the common multiple 12. It is the least common multiple. So we write LCM of 3, 4 is equal to 12. Okay. So that is the LCM of 3, 4. This 3 and 4 are prime to each other. That is the factors of 3 are 1, 3. Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Isn't it? Because 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by itself. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factors of 3 are 1, 3. Okay. So there are no common factors other than 1. Okay. So we say these two numbers are prime to each other. Okay. In that case, you can find the LCM by multiplying that two numbers. So that you will get 12. And look at here. Here you can see that 3 and 6. So in the case of LCM of two numbers, if one is multiple of other, then the LCM will be that number. So here you can see that the numbers in 3 and 6. 6 is multiple of 3. Okay. So the LCM of that two numbers is that multiple, that is 6. Okay. Now can you say the LCM of the numbers 10, 15? What is the LCM of the numbers 10 and 15? So that is, we write the multiples of 10 and the multiples of 15. Okay, so we will find the least common multiple. So that is, multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, etc. So least common multiple is 30. So we write LCM of 10, 15 is 30. Okay. Now consider these three. In the first one, the numbers are prime to each other. Then the LCM is product of that two numbers, that is 12. In the second case, one number is multiple of other. In that case, LCM of that two number is the multiple, that is 6. And the third case, LCM of 10, 15. They are not prime to each other because the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. So that is, we have they are not prime to each other. If we say two numbers are prime to each other, if they don't have any common factor other than 1. So here we can see the common factors 1 and 5. So these two numbers are not prime to each other. In that case, we found LCM in another way. Okay. So let us find the LCM of two numbers. numbers which are not prime to each other, and the numbers in the given numbers, one is not the multiple of other, we can use the method. That method is, I am explaining that here we need to find the LCM of 10 and 15. So you write the numbers 10 and 15 and divide these two numbers by a number. We know that this 10 and 15 are divisible by 5. So let's divide this by 5. So what do you get? Divide the first number 10 by 5, you will get 2. Divide the second number 15 by 5, you will get 3. Now 2 and 3, they are prime to each other, so you can stop here. So LCM is equal to product of these numbers. So what do you get? 5 into 2 into 3. So 5 into 2 into 3, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 3, 30. So you will get the LCM as 30. Now let's try to find the LCM of 3 numbers. You find LCM of 15, 25, 45. So how will you find the LCM of these 3 numbers? Write the numbers 15, 25, 45, and that can be divided by a number. We can say that this 15, 25 and 45 are multiples of 5. So these 3 numbers are divided by 5. So let's divide these 3 numbers by 5. So 15 by 5 is 3. 25 by 5 is 5. 45 by 5 is 9. Okay, so you have got 3, 5, 9. Okay, now you can see that 3 and 9 are divided by 3. So let us divide these 3 numbers by 3. So 3 by 3, 1. Now we know that this 5 is not divisible by 3. So you don't want to divide 5 by 3, just write that 5 here. Okay, now 9 by 3 is 3. Now these 3 numbers are prime to each other, there are no common factors. So you can stop here. Now you can find the LCM. LCM is equal to multiply these numbers. So what do you get? 5 into 3 into 1 into 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15 into 1 into 5 into 3, that is 15. 15 into 15 is 225. So the least common multiple of 15, 25, 45 is 225.